Introducing the Luminar Products Super Extruder 3D Filament Print Head Project.
Hello Kickstarters, my name is Ron Steele and I'm the lead design engineer for Luminar Products in Nampa, Idaho. Luminar Products is a small company developed by me and two friends, John and Effie. We started this company so that we could develop new ideas and bring them to market. The latest project we're working on is for a 3D printer. We want to develop a new plastic extruder for filament type printers, and we want our extruder to be able to handle new and different types of plastic than are currently available. Right now ABS and PLA are pretty much your only plastic choices. There are other thermoplastics that are available in other formats. Welding rod is one such format. Plastic welding rod that's used for welding plates together to build structures or boxes. Here I have polypropylene, ABS, PVDF, PVC. These are all excellent plastics. They all have unique properties that make them of value for making certain kinds of parts.
Here is a time-lapse video of our extruder making a vase. We're using a 40 thousandths diameter nozzle orifice for this. Here it is in real time. The material that we're using for this is white polypropylene. Why would you choose white polypropylene? Well, first of all, it's very chemically resistant. It's a nice hard surface plastic. It does a very nice job of printing, and it only costs $10 a pound. Our finished vase is 8 centimeters tall. So far we have successfully printed the following plastic welding rod with our extruder: ABS, PVC, PVDF, polypropylene, CP7D. For all of these plastics, we have also discovered stage materials that do not require heating, yet still hold fast to the part while it's being made, yet release the part easily when it's complete. Being able to print all of these different types of plastic is useful and very exciting, as it opens up new opportunities for 3D printed parts. Being able to 3D print on an unheated stage area adds even more value to using our extruders. As we continue to experiment with different thermoplastic weld rod materials, we are confident that more will be added to our list of plastic material that is printable with the Luminar Super Extruder. What key features makes our extruder better? Well, first of all, it's very powerful. It has dual drive wheels made of steel for a positive filament feed, no slipping. Second, strong compact design, mounts from any surface, top, sides, or bottom. This makes it very adaptable to an existing 3D printer. We plan to offer our extruders in two sizes. First, the NEMA 23 size for larger printers that are going to print larger objects, and second, a NEMA 17 size for smaller printers. No one else offers extruders in two sizes. Other manufacturers use aluminum and brass for their heater block and nozzle. Our heater block and nozzle are both made out of copper. Copper is more thermally conductive for a more stable temperature control. The body of our extruder is machined from a single piece of aluminum. The heatsink is machined right into it. This not only cools the drive portion of the extruder better, but it also keeps the stepper motor cool.
Our extruders can run multiple sizes of filament. Our extruders can be made to run 1.75 millimeter, 3 millimeter, 1/8 inch, 5/32 of an inch, and 3/16 of an inch diameter filament. Different materials come in different diameters, so that means you can run different types of plastic in your extruder. That gives you the advantage of being able to print many different kinds of parts for many different kinds of applications and environments. Our extruder opens up all sorts of possibilities for printers and for the printed parts they make. Our extruder will be an assembly that can be retrofitted to existing 3D printers to allow them to take advantage of different printable plastic materials. We also want to make our extruders available to 3D printer manufacturers so that they can provide their customers with these high-quality plastic extruder print heads.
Thank you for watching our video. Please consider making a pledge towards our project. Luminar Products, our manufacturing plan. This is the home of Luminar Products LLC in Nampa, Idaho, where we plan on performing all of our manufacturing of the super extruders. We share this 10,000 square foot building with an affiliate company, Mike Rosil LLC, a wafer substrate resurfacing company that has been doing business since 1993. Here are some of our offices and a few of our folks. Luminar Products owns all of its own equipment, and most of it is already on site. Our machine inventory includes a 55,000 psi flow water jet machine. We've been using this machine to make a specialty wrench that we sell. We laser engrave the wrenches and package them up, all ready for our distributors. At the end of our machine shop area is one of our CNC milling machines. Up until a year ago, I used this machine for production of a specialty milling machine retrofit that I once sold. I have made more than 5,000 of these plate sets for this retrofit on this very machine. Here are parts that were off the mill ready for deburring and a few second operations before complete. Our extruders will be created in a similar fashion, but since they are square shaped and smaller in size, they will be easier to fixture and faster to make. I am very familiar with production machining of aluminum parts in this manner and what tools will work best and last the longest. Our water jet machine will be performing all of the rough cutting of the extruder bodies and other needed parts. This machine will cut out the parts just over the finished size. The speed and power of this machine will allow us to cut more than 200 extruder bodies a day. In the next operation, the extruders will be finished machined to size on a CNC machine. Front and back of the extruder bodies will also be machined in another step on the same CNC milling machine. A second CNC milling machine will be used for applying the filament feed holes and the mounting holes on the outside of the extruder's body. Along with the before-mentioned tools, we also have several manual mills, manual lathes, bandsaws, shears, brakes, CNC lathes, laser engravers, and more. These machines have been used in production by us for other products that we have made and sold, so we know these machines and we know what they can be made to do. We at Luminar Products are confident that with the equipment we have, we can meet our Kickstarter goal and delivery dates, even if our goal is exceeded by 500%. Should we have the good fortune to receive more orders than we can manage with our existing in-house equipment, we have the floor space and are prepared to acquire additional equipment as needed to meet our goals on time.